Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs, the channel where you will find modern interior design videos related to interior decoration and designs. If you are planning for a new home and you were searching for a modern false ceiling designs, then your search can end here. Just give us a few valuable minutes and we will showcase you the best design ideas that you can ever think of. So relax and watch each bedroom false ceiling designs carefully and get some great and innovative design ideas from these designs that are used by top interior designer all over the world. False ceiling, also called dropped ceiling, serve an array of purpose in the bedroom. The false panel hide wiring of ventilation system and lighting fixtures while providing the installation base for these designs. They also improve the acoustic of your room and provide insulation where needed. One of the most important purpose is less to do with practicalities and more with aesthetic though. Available in plethora of colors, texture, finishes and designs, false ceilings can greatly add the interior design of your bedroom. While materials such as POP and gypsum are even popular, you can also use wood, glass, fabric and fiber to achieve the exact effect you are after for your bedroom. This video on best false ceiling design ideas will help you to choose the best and latest design for your home. Go bold with the latest in false ceiling designs in the bedroom by opting for a cutout in the ceiling. The space left by the cutout is ideal for installing electrical features such as lights and fans. Decide on the pattern of the cutout such that it keeps with the overall look and style of the bedroom. Choosing interesting patterns such as squares, diamonds, circular shapes, hexagons and stars to give your ceiling and room a modern touch. The pattern can be repeated across the ceiling or a large ceiling cutout can be put in for a dramatic effect. Wooden false ceiling design for bedroom. Nothing spells warmth and luxury like the wood, and there are several ways you can make the most of material for your bedroom ceiling. Wooden planks or beams can be lined up parallel to each other or laid out in criss-cross manner to create a grid effect. Since wood comes in so many grains and textures and can also be painted for their desired effect, it can greatly and pretty much fit into any style of your room. For all their advantages, there are few considerations to keep in mind when it comes to wood. Make sure you treat the material to make it termite proof. It also works better in temperature controlled or cool environment as it is susceptible to warping. So friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern bedroom false ceiling designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our 1 million YouTube family members. On Interior Decor Designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscriber and make them aware of modern interior decoration design ideas that are going on in this world. If you want more design ideas on interior decoration and exterior designs, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app to get the latest design ideas according to your choice. You will find all the link in the description box below. Do check them out. Also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Telegram. Gypsum false ceiling designs for bedroom. Gypsum is yet another material that is popular choice for false ceiling. There are wide variety of gypsum panels available in the market, catering to the simplest to the most complex of the false ceiling designs. Since these are prefabricated and installed on site, they give your false ceiling a seamless and smooth finish which can be hard to replicate with plaster of Paris. The ease of installation and maintenance, the high durability and relative low cost are what makes gypsum an evergreen choice for the false ceiling. Finish your gypsum ceiling in texture and color you want to give your bedroom that magical touch. False ceiling designs for children bedroom. A child bedroom can also be greatly enhanced with an appropriate false ceiling designs. As with the other bedroom, reflect the interior design style of your room onto the false ceiling. If you or your child bedroom is designed to be whimsical, splash out to the ceiling in similar manner. A dreamy look can be mirrored with a dimmable lights and floating ceiling. A sporty look can be achieved with ceiling cutout that showcase your child's favorite sport. Treat the false ceiling in the kid bedroom like a canvas and watch the delight play out on your children's face when they see their result. If your mantra is to keep it simple, design the false ceiling in the bedroom to reflect your aesthetics. A simple tray design with a strip of hidden lighting will do the job beautifully. The subtle light created by such a false ceiling design draw attention to the bed while highlighting any distinct feature of your room. A simple false ceiling is not only easy to design, it is also convenient to source and install, giving you the maximum effect for your efforts. If your budget for your new home renovation is tight, then you don't need to spend your hard-earned money on an interior designer. To get the latest interior design ideas, you don't need to search the internet or YouTube. You just need to subscribe to our YouTube channel and bookmark our website interiordecordesigns.in. Just have faith in yourself and trust on us. We will showcase the best interior design that you will find anywhere. All our designs have a combination of modern and trending interior decoration ideas. Just watch all our video and follow our website and app to get the latest home decoration ideas. Floating ceiling design for bedroom. To create an opulent and classy look, design your false ceiling such that it appears to float in mid-air. This effect can be achieved with the use of hidden mounts and some clever backlights. The light installed around the perimeter of the false ceiling in a manner that they hide the mount and they give a soft glow to the ceiling, such that it appears to float. Within floating false ceiling, you can choose from a variety of designs in keeping the rest of the bedroom. If you have a simply done up bedroom, a single floating tire will be up for your LA. Those with an elaborately decorated master bedroom may want to consider a multiple platform floating ceiling to fit in with their room. Panel false ceiling design for bedroom. If drama is what you are after, design your false ceiling to be an extended panel. Such a panel begins behind your bed with its line often in symmetry with those of its headboard. Running vertically along with the wall behind the bed, they continue onto the ceiling above the bed, making visually bold statement. Such a false ceiling design immediately draws one's attention and enhances the sense of theater in the bedroom. The swoping lines of the panel create a striking effect and can instantly enliven even the plainest or simplest of the bedroom. Zoning through the false ceiling design for bedroom. If you have a bedroom that serves multiple purposes, false ceiling can help you break the room up and create zones. Install false ceiling over your bed to demarcate the sleeping area. Using appropriate dimmable light will further help you create the right mood and ambience. A study area in the bedroom can have a false ceiling installed above it, complete with embedded task lights to create a nook that aid productivity. A sitting area in the bedroom can similarly be made cozy with an appropriate false ceiling design. Dramatic, stylish, elegant, whimsical, whatever be the look you are setting out to create in the bedroom, a suitable false ceiling design will help you to achieve it. So friends, hope you like this video on modern false ceiling designs for bedroom. And for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. For the latest and trending interior decoration design, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, Pinterest for more design ideas. All the links are there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on the Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this we finish this video here and we'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.